Leo sat in his small apartment, eyes heavy, fingers tense on the mouse. Another red candle. Another losing trade. He stared blankly at the screen, whispering the question every trader eventually asks. Where's the market going next? But the charts had no answer. Just more confusion, more volatility, and more doubt. He had tried everything, support and resistance, RSI, Fibonacci, the news, even gut feeling. Still, the market felt like a wild animal, unpredictable, elusive, always one step ahead. Trading felt like guessing in the dark, and the darkness was winning. Then, late one night, as he scrolled through forums and videos in a desperate search for clarity, he came across a book. A Three-Dimensional Approach to Forex Trading by Anna Couling. He almost skipped it, but something about the title pulled him in. 3 dimensions? Most strategies offered just one. Technical, maybe some news, but this was different. As he read, a new world unfolded before him. The first dimension, volume price analysis. Leo had always watched price, candlesticks, breakouts, patterns, but Anna asked a deeper question. What does the volume say? It hit him. Price shows what the market is doing. Volume shows who's behind it. He started to see things differently. A breakout on low volume? Probably a trap. A rally with surging volume? That's where the smart money might be entering. For the first time, he didn't just react to price, he understood its strength or its weakness. It was like finally hearing the tone behind someone's words. Then came the second dimension. Fundamentals. Leo had avoided economics. Too complicated, too slow for trading. But Anna made it clear. Currencies aren't just numbers on a screen. They represent countries, economies, interest rates, inflation, growth. Every candle is part of a bigger economic story. He began watching the Fed, tracking employment numbers, learning how interest rate hikes strengthen a currency, and how central banks move markets without ever touching a chart. Suddenly, news events weren't random chaos. They were calculated catalysts. And finally, the third dimension, relational analysis. Anna taught him that markets are connected. Currencies don't move in isolation. They move in relation to others. Gold rising often means the US dollar is weakening. Oil prices influence the Canadian dollar. Stocks falling can send traders rushing into safe havens like the yen or Swiss franc. Leo started seeing those connections. When gold broke out, he checked the dollar. When oil spiked, he looked at CAD. He wasn't just trading pairs anymore, he was trading relationships. Piece by piece, trade by trade, Leo changed. He stopped guessing. He stopped chasing. He started reading. He watched how price moved, how volume supported or betrayed it. He understood the bigger economic picture, and he saw the hidden links between markets that used to seem unrelated. Trading became less like gambling and more like listening, like having a conversation with the market, one that made more and more sense each day. Anna Couling didn't give him a shortcut. She gave him sight. So now, when traders ask the question that once haunted him, where is the market going next? Leo smiles. Because he's no longer looking for one answer. He's looking at three.